Actually, what I wanted to share is not coming. Or demo I'm giving. Here, environment and people, we are going to see here health and hygiene. The screen share you are able to see here how health is very important. What are the food items? Yeah, okay. But what I wanted to do is not this one. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So here food item is given according to our health and hygiene only. We can maintain our personality. If we are not sick, we cannot do anything. So that health and hygiene is very, very important. In this, scientists, what they are defining means physical and mental health. Both are very important because for exercise, posture, proper food, hygiene, rest, all these things are very, very essential for the healthy life. Healthy life is the best life. So that this is very important. Not only food, exercise also, posture also, rest, hygiene. All these things important. Dear students, I mean, in my mind, I'm having the students so that I'm addressing to students. Students, everyday life from the small age onwards. Now you are in intermediate. Now onwards, if you maintain all these things only, you can live long life with good health. So that please maintain good thing. Here balanced diet is given. The balanced diet, so many components are given. Not only vegetables and fruits, vitamins, minerals, everything we have to add it in our food. Here in this picture we can see fruits, vegetables, 33% we must have. Then cereals, other root vegetables are 33%, and milk and dairy items 15%, fatty sugar items, food items 7%, meat, fish, these alternative things also. Okay, so please, whenever eat, don't depend on only one food. All these things have to maintain it. Then only you can have that good health. Then, yeah, what Health Organization is defining our environment and health is our health comprises of human health, quality life, okay, physical and biological, social, psychological factor. All these four factors are included. Physical, biological, social, and psychological. All these things should be included in our physical environment. Okay, please take care all these things. Okay, psychological, even mental rest also very, very important. Then only we can do any work properly. Then when we do all these things, whatever we do, assessing or correcting or controlling, preventing, all these things we can control it through this good environment of our biological, physical environment. Okay, then if we come to the physical and biological, what are the physical things? What are the things you have to take care? Means, yeah, suppose if you take it now, Delhi is suffering lot and lot because of the yeah, they are not getting proper oxygen. So that the people is, even the schools are closed in the winter time. So air is very, very important. Even air purifier is given important. Cities not able to get it. But in the villages, we are not able to get pure air. Okay, fresh air. Fresh air is very important. Even the water bodies are should be very good. Then only we can maintain good health. Soil. If the soil is contaminated, whatever we are producing from that, it will be contaminated. So that soil should be manured properly. So the vegetables and fruits will good for us. Housing environment, climate, okay, cold, windy, all these things also we have to take care of it. Geographically, environment, the village atmosphere or urban atmosphere, this also should be very good. Heat, light, noise, debris, These things also we have to take care of it. Okay, especially if we take the foreign countries, in the winter time, they should have the heat properly. If they don't have the heat, they cannot do any work because the hands and legs will be shivering. They cannot do anything. For Indian properly, we are getting the heat, light also we are getting, and noisy pollution is much. From that also we should be very careful. Debris, all the waste things should not be dumped in nearby our houses. Then it should be very clean so that we can give the good life. Air pollutants, if we take it, toxic waste. This one especially industries and factories. Nearby industries in Chennai and all, Ennur places there. Surrounding nearly 2-3 kilometers, people cannot live because of this toxic waste, toxic gases. So the air pollutant should be avoided. So many times the people are not allowing the industries and factories in the midst of the people. It should be far away from the people. Okay, so that the people can live without air pollutants. As intermediate students, maybe you may concentrate your studies. You must take care of all these things because in the villages, many people will not be studied. Maybe, you know, after 18 years, you may be elected as a president or panchayat people. So that if you are aware of everything, you are well-versed in knowledge means automatically they will select you as your village leaders. So that everything we must take care of it. Okay? Biological, nowadays, you know, that is virus, coronavirus. Because of the coronavirus, the whole, please keep mute, please, sir. Whole world is shut down because of the small virus which we cannot see. Mana kannu kuda kanapadadu. Kani we are very, very lockdown period because of the small virus. Virus, bacteria, other microbes, insects, rodents, animals, plants. All these things we should take care of it because it is directly or indirectly affecting our health. Then disease producing agents also there. That also you should be very careful. Through the reservoirs also infection is there. Because through this infection, the long-term disease also we can get it. So we should be very careful. Then intermediate host and reservoirs of infection. From the water bodies, we'll get a lot of infection. So the water also should be very good water. We have to take it. If we come to the basic requirements for a healthy environment, clean air, already as I told how delegates are suffering. Clean air is very, very important, okay? And safe and sufficient water. Sometimes you are getting the safe water, but many times you are not taking the sufficient water. Minimum we have to take 2 to 3 liters of water. In the early morning onwards, we have to drink water. Many food habits we are not following properly. Actually, before food, after food, immediately we should not take water. Before that, we have to take lot of water. That sufficient water also very, very important. Then safe and adequate food. Have to take, we should not eat more food. So we should take adequate food. And safe and peaceful settlements, even in the houses. We should have the peaceful atmosphere. Then only our Prime Minister Modi told in the examination times should be a festival times. Festival time means because of the examination, we should not entertain any relatives or TV or anything else. Because of the peaceful atmosphere when we provide to the students, they will study well. So in that way, we have to maintain the peaceful atmosphere. Okay, stable and global environment. We should have the global, very good environment to lead a good life. Okay. Yes. Then next one, if we see that scope of environment and environmental health, water supplies, wastewater treatment, even drainage water should be treated properly. We should not make it the stagnant around our houses. Waste management. Even the from the household waste, suppose if you visit an apartment, many wastage will be accumulated around the house, so that mosquitoes, everything will be there. From that also we should be controlled. Then prevention and control of land pollution. Land pollution also should not be there. Already told, because of the land pollution, the vegetative plants are poisoned. Food hygiene and safety. Hygiene food we should take, and safety also. Air quality management should be there. Even the villages, there is no problem in air quality. We'll get it. In the city, only it will be much problem. Okay. Environmental radiation hazards. This one, and through the factories, we'll get a lot of radiations. From that, we should be avoided. Then occupational health and safety. From this also, well, because of the work environment, through that also we should do long time standing, especially if we see that the jewelry jobs, there the people are standing long time, continuous standing, so they will get the health hazard. So when we approach the job also, we should take care. Our health care, is it suitable for that? Then environmental noise management. If the noise is continuously, if we go on here, our decibel, our ear drum will be affected. So that also should be taken care of. Accommodation establishment, hundreds of houses in one apartment. In that way also, we are suffering. So that these things also should be taken care. Then water and health. This safe, wholesome water, that also already I told. For good water we should take, especially little boil, it will be good. We should not boil it completely. When we boiled it completely, after boiling, and if you put the fish in that, the fish will not live it. Why? Because there is no oxygen content in that. So that the water should not be boiled completely, but doctors are advising completely boil the water. But it's not good, because oxygen content should not be killed. Our body is needed lot of oxygen. Okay, free from pathogenic agents. The water should be clean, free from harmful chemical substances. Chemical substances should not be there, especially chlorine, that and all they will add it. From that also we should. Pleasant to taste, free from color and odor, useful domestic purpose. The water should not be a color. It should be colorless. Colorless. Okay. There should not be any tasty. That means that is not a pure water. Then for drinking purpose, 2 liter compulsory per person we have to use it. Domestic purpose, 150 liter to 200 liters. This also have to take care. Students are able to follow how to take care of all these things. Then if suppose if the water is not good, see that what are the diseases we are getting it. Because of the chemical pollutants, toxic effect, we are getting lot of diseases. So that the water should be free from all chemical things. Okay. Then dental health problem also. Even that all this paste, whatever paste we are using, in that also many chemicals are added. So many doctors nowadays they are advising better to prepare your own tooth powder. Okay, because very 50, 60 or 70 years before itself the teeth are fault and everything. Then cardiovascular diseases. This also, if we take it, many people suffering by heart diseases because of the food habits, because of the health, that is without exercise, these things are taking care. So that we should take care of our heart also. Then air pollution, if we take it, daily requirement we need 10 to 20 cubic meter per day. Then the air, what are the components are there? Even from 6th class we are studying what are the things are there. See that nitrogen component is more. But we need oxygen, so that surrounding our houses, we should take care. More plants are there. Even though big plants are not there, you girls or boys, you can have the habituated to gardening. Around your house, if you have the more and enough and more plants, you will get the fresh air throughout the day and night. So that please take care that also. Okay. Then carbon dioxide is less only. We should not increase that one. But through the vehicles, it is increased. Okay. So better if we go to Japan. Japan, all the houses, all the people are using bicycles. Bicycles, there is no air pollution. Okay. But with two-wheelers or four-wheelers, if we take, more air pollution is there. Even nowadays, the students, if they are 15 or 16, they don't want to drive the cycles. They want a scooty. So after 20 or 30 years, they want to four-wheelers. In that way, we are polluting our environment. So if we have some standard life, so I can cycling. So I should use cycle because our body also get a good health. Okay, students. So that please take care health. Same again, air pollution is there. These harmful gases are one or another way, it is affecting our health and safety. It is discomfort. So this long time we are seeing drinking water should be very good and air also should be very good. Then only we can lead a healthy life. Okay. From where this air pollution is there, from where these diabetes people are suffering. See, their automobiles, two-wheelers, four-wheelers, all these things are, through that we are getting carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, lead, nitrogen dioxide, black smoke. Then from the industries, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, fly ash, smoke, hydrogen fluoride. These things are affecting our health. Then domestic sources, through the firewood, smoke, dust, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide. Then miscellaneous, if we take it, that is incinerated pesticide. The natural source are fungi, folds, bacteria. All these things are affecting our health through the air pollution. So we should be very careful. You may think, it's not, it's the big elder people responsibility. No, you are educated. You can tell to your parents, you can tell to your neighbors and environment, neighboring people how to take care of our air and water. Okay? Yes. This is also air pollutants and health. Suppose if the air pollutants are more, how our health is suffering. See that eye damage. Even now small class children are having the spectacles. Why? Because of the air pollutants and water and food items. Even cancer. Cancer is because of the cadmium chemicals, we are getting it. If we take care of it, that also can be avoided. And unpleasant odor. From that also, irritation, mental and neurological damage. Okay, lung cancer, respiratory problems. All these things are we are getting because of the air pollutants. Okay. Then if we take public health importance and the human excreta, village, nowadays our government is providing toilet facilities, all the people. Even though people don't want to go, they wanted to go to the open air. Because of that, people and the surrounding people also suffering. This one, safe disposal of excreta is very, very, very important. We should not spoil the surroundings. So that soil pollution is there, water pollution is there, food contamination, then propagation of flies. Because of the insects also, people are getting disease. So please, as the intermediate students, please you take care of your health. Please you instruct other people also, instruct your neighbors also, because you are the educated in your village, in your area. So that don't depend on, oh, somebody will take care. You are the soul. You are the taking care of the environment. Okay. Next, public health importance. If we see that, if we are not careful about our environment, even typhoid. Now we know nearly 8-9 months we're locked down because of the small virus. So that please take care of all our health. Health is there, everything is there. So we should take care of it. Typhoid fever, dysentery, diarrhea, cholera, all these things we are getting it because of air pollution, water pollution, and the soil pollution. So please take care of it. Okay. This the hygiene. The hygiene, what are the elements are there? If we take care, personal hygiene definition, care of hair. Okay, once in a week you used to take care. Once a week you must take care of your head bath. Skin and face. Okay, that also different types of chemical soaps we are using. Even the natural things we can use it. I used to take natural things. Teeth, even the teeth, we are depending the chemical only. But if we know to prepare it our own, it will be very good also. Yes. Then yes, we should not put it anything in the ears, and hands should be, nowadays we should wash again and again our hands, because our hands only touching our face and everything, so that we should take care of it. Then nails, okay, nails should be cut. Once a week we should cut. Even the feet cracks are there. In everything we should take care of it. Then only we can live a healthy life. Not only healthy life, if we are healthy, automatically our mind will start to concentrate our studies. Okay. See that hygiene. This word hygiene is this word is Greek word. That means Hygia means goddess of health. Because we need good health, the word is given hygiene. That is healthy, sound mind, sound body. That is very, very important, each and every student and our human being. Okay. This hygiene is Greek word. Okay. Hygia is a goddess of health. We need good and sound health. Okay. Then if we take it hygiene, here personal hygiene, environmental hygiene, both are there. The personal hygiene, if we are take care of it, automatically we will take care of environmental hygiene also. Okay. This also we should take care of it. Here already this one I have told what is the personal hygiene. What are the things we have to take care of? Here small baby is given. Okay, all these things today cover, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yeah.
Today
madam.
we have covered the topics of hygienic and health and environment.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
and
madam.
Coming to the students count is 12, ma'am.
Okay.
Students count is 12. Only 12 members have attended.
Okay.
Ma'am, is there any way to increase the count of students? Because from
Madam,
Monday the classes will start, right?
Madam, this number of students matter, I don't know, madam.
Okay, okay.
Huh?
Okay, ma'am.
The link is given by you. This also I prepared some PPT, that time I'm explaining.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, madam.
Okay, ma'am.
It is understandable, madam, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. It is very clear, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Because I prepared for further explanation this one, that I told.
Okay.
We have prepared PPTs, many are there.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Then tomorrow, madam, the class?
Tomorrow is a Sunday. From Monday onwards, the class will start, ma'am.
Okay, okay. What time, madam? 10 o'clock?
Yes, ma'am. 10 to 12.
Okay. How many students will attend per people, madam?
Per people, we have estimated the 300.
Okay, madam.
But there is no strength over here.
Okay, okay. Madam,
okay, we will cope up. We will see that.
Okay, self-introduction onwards we will start. Is it no, madam?
Yes, ma'am. From the starting basic onwards, so from Monday you have to start.
Okay, okay, madam. Today is it clear, madam? Everything?
Yes, ma'am. Easy, very clear, ma'am. You have explained
Okay.
each and everything very clearly.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam. Because it is mine own PPT. That's all.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, madam.
Okay, ma'am.
Mm.
I'm ending the section, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, madam. Thank you,
Thank you all
students.
for attending the section.
Okay, thank you, students.